Hey there. Today, we're going to dive into the world of digital marketing and explore some tips that can help you grow your business. So, let's get started with our digital marketing guide for freelancers. First things first, let's talk about social media. It's a powerful tool that can help you reach a wider audience and connect with potential clients. Start by creating profiles on the major platforms such as LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Make sure your profiles are professional and showcase your skills and experience. Now, let's talk about content. Content is king, and it's essential for your digital marketing strategy. Create valuable and engaging content that speaks to your target audience. This could be in the form of blog posts, videos, infographics, or even podcasts. Use social media to share your content and engage with your followers. Next up, let's discuss SEO. Search engine optimization is crucial for your online presence. Optimize your website and content for search engines by using relevant keywords, creating high-quality content, and building backlinks. This will help your website rank higher in search results and attract more traffic. Now, let's talk about email marketing. Build an email list of potential clients and send them regular newsletters or updates about your services. Make sure your emails are professional, informative, and engaging. Lastly, let's discuss paid advertising. Consider investing in paid advertising on social media or search engines to reach a wider audience and boost your visibility. Set a budget and track your results to ensure you're getting a good return on investment. Remember, digital marketing is all about consistency and patience. It takes time to see results, so don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate success. Keep creating quality content, engaging with your audience, and adjusting your strategy as needed. And there you have it, Financial Formula, our digital marketing guide for freelancers. I hope these tips help you grow your business and reach your goals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and happy marketing!